Hi!
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 Skewb!
Stupid!
Weilong! So here we have the GAN Skewb Enhanced. It comes in this really nice box here. Inside the box we have this very nice little box thing here. In the box we have a GAN bag, an adjustment tool, a pamphlet. This is how you solve it. In here we have the same exact adjustment system as the GAN 11. We have a tensioning tool, some GES adjustment things. If we can compare that to the GAN 11 here, for the Skewb, you can only take out 4 corners. You can't, they don't have adjustment tools in every single corner. I think there's only 4. And it tells you this in the manual. But another way you can find out is you can push on these corners, but the ones that don't move, as you can see, these don't move, these are tight, while these are loose. The tight ones have the adjustment system underneath. So in here you can see that that's a GES nut right there. That's the same GES nuts that they use in the GAN 11. So they're interchangeable. And you can tension the spring using this tool, insert it, and you just turn. And once you get to the loud click and it goes down, that's the lowest tension, and you go up as you turn. Okay, so that's how you tension. So we can go down. The GAN Skewb has really nice corner cutting. Alright, so this is the GAN Skewb Standard. So the first thing I noticed over the GAN Skewb Enhanced is that this is not UV coat. This is GAN Standard frosted plastic here. The Skewb is also a bit more unstable because it does not have some of the enhanced magnet positioning system, which is basically there's a magnet here on the GAN Enhanced, while there's no magnet in that spot on the GAN Standard. That means it's less stable and it turns a bit weird. So if I do this sledge here, when I bring it up, this part kind of catches on this centerpiece right here, or whatever that's called, and then it makes it kind of hard to turn. While on the enhanced version, that is not a problem. But on this Skewb, it is a tiny bit of a problem. So if you were to get a GAN Skewb, which I really don't recommend you get, I would recommend you get the Weilong Skewb. But if you were to get a GAN Skewb because you really like this logo, for example, then I would recommend getting the enhanced version because the standard version is not really worth the price.
Here we have the Hope You Can Read Chinese, and never mind, we do have it in English. Don't worry, you don't need it fluent in Chinese. Okay, so in the box, beautiful case with a super sick stand, which makes you super popular at school, and it comes with its accessories. And remember, this is like the GAN Skewb, but like cheaper and like completely reasonable, which comes with a tensioning tool, screwdrivers, and stuff like that. Comes with an entire pamphlet just to use the box. This pamphlet. Okay, we're cutting that out.
So let's test the corner cutting on this, and it has really nice corner cutting. You can corner cut a lot. The magnets in this one feel a bit more, the magnets are stronger than in the GAN Skewb. Alright, so let's take a look at the adjustment system. There we go. This thing comes off. We have a screw here. This tensions the axis distance by turning, which is how far it can spread out, and right now it's pretty loose. So this thing right here tensions the spring, so how tight the spring is. So the tighter it is, the more stable it feels. And once it goes to that strong setting, that means it's at the very lowest setting. Yeah, this is a really nice Skewb.